everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a wonderful Thursday so far. Today we're going to take a look at this 2022 Ram 2500 Laramie and a bright white clear coat exterior. Would also like to mention that this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. Not to mention it does have the quick order package 2HH Laramie on it as well. But never mind that, let's go ahead and walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first things you're going to take notice of are these gorgeous LED headlights. As I pan right below that, you're going to take notice of the running LED fog lights with that beautiful black trim piece, and engraved right in that black trim piece there, you are going to see the parking sensors all the way across there in the front, accompanied by those black powder coated tow hooks and the chrome bumper guard there. As we come up from that, you're going to take notice of that black row insert along with more chrome trim. And finally here for the front end, take a look at that gorgeous Ram chrome logo. As we make our way to the side, let's go ahead and take a second to look at these wheels and tires. And as you guys can see, it's going to come with beautiful 18-inch polished aluminum wheels with the 275/70 like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now on the exterior as well, take a look here at your mirrors. You are going to have the integrated turn signal indicators on the back, and they are going to be heated on the front, so don't ever worry about them getting frosty in the wintertime. And being a 2500, you are going to have the access to flip up tow mirrors there on the side as well. So if we go ahead and flip that back down, take a look here at your door handle. You are going to have the proximity sensor, so as long as that key's in your pocket and you press that button, it'll lock and unlock. While we're over here, let's go ahead and take a peek here at the interior as well. As you guys can see, it's going to come with a premium black leather interior with some of this suede-like material here on the butt portion of the seat. And as we turn around here to the dash, you are going to have a black dash finish with that staying consistent down below on your glove box. As you guys can see over there in the center cluster, you're going to have some almost gold-like trim and a wood grain trim up top. And if we take a look over here at your air vents, you are going to have almost a chrome or silver line trim along all of your air vents. Here in the back seat now, first and foremost, you are going to see that beautiful black leather interior with a suede-like material, staying consistent back here in the rear. Not to mention, they are going to be the 60/40 folding seats. So if we go ahead and flip this seat up, as you guys can see, it does allow for plenty of extra storage. Not to mention, it does have these cool little flip outs here. And if we go ahead and flip this out, you are going to see it almost opens up into a flat working space. I've known to have a lot of people tell me that they actually sleep back here on long road trips or so on and so forth. So if we go ahead and flip that up, putting that back down, putting this top portion down as well. If we take a look behind your driver and passenger seat, you are going to have two USB-C, two USB ports, and a max 400 watt outlet there below. Your own individual air vents there as well. And here in your middle seat, you are going to have a pull-out center console that does come equipped with two cup holders. Coming around to the rear, first and foremost, this vehicle does come equipped with an anti-spin differential. Not to mention parking sensors in the rear and the backup camera, so don't ever worry about backing up into anything. And even with not including the tow package on this vehicle, it does still come with a class 4 hitch and receiver with a 4 and 7 pin wiring harness. While we're back here, let's go ahead and drop this tailgate down for you guys, showing you guys this bed. As you guys can see, it does not come with a bed liner, drop in, or spray in. However, as you guys can see as well, it is in pristine condition, hardly used. You are going to have your typical hooks back here for strapping anything down that you could possibly think of. And up there on the left corner, you are going to see that max 400 watt outlet. Making our way through some of the interior features of this vehicle, it is going to come equipped with power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and the 8-way power folding seat adjustments with lumbar support. Hopping on in now, we're going to go ahead and start off for you guys in just a moment. But before we do that, let's go ahead and take a look here at your key fob. As you guys can see, it is going to come with your typical lock and unlock, as well as your remote start and your SOS sound system. So if we go ahead and start up with this push button start, you're going to see a nice little startup there on your driver middle display from Ram. And I want you guys to also take notice that this vehicle is going to come with just under 22,000 miles on it. Oddly convenient for a 2022, just having under 22,000 miles, hand in hand, fit perfect for you. There are plenty of features here on the interior, so let's go ahead and show you guys every single one of those. Here on the left side of the steering wheel behind, you're going to have all of your headlight settings there with your automatic headlight adjustment, as well as some brightness, ambient lighting, and the brightness to your driver display. Also down below, you're going to have your cargo lamps. This is a lever for your parking brake, and your hood release is located over here in the middle. The left knob behind your steering wheel is going to be all of your windshield wiper adjustments, plus your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. The right side is going to be your beautiful shifter knob. The left side of your steering wheel is going to be your middle display, as well as your touch to talk options. And on the right side, you're going to have all of your cruise control up top with your automatic gear shifter down below. Coming here over into the middle, you are going to have an 8.4-inch touchscreen LCD display that does come equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned previously, it does have a backup camera. Now, on top of the regular Bluetooth, you are going to have Apple and Android CarPlay, and plenty of manual options located right down there below. In the middle, you are going to take notice of your traction control and your four-ways. These front two seats are heated, as well as your steering wheel is heated. Climate control right there to touch your fingertips. If we take a look over here on the left, you're going to have all of your different drive modes for your four-wheel drive high, two-wheel drive, full drive low, and your neutral. Your integrated trailer brake, tow and haul mode, parking sensors, as well as your full exhaust brake. If we take a look underneath here, you do have plenty of storage with a pull-out center console there in the front with coin holders there. Pushing that back in. On the right side, you're going to have a 400-watt max outlet. Left side, you're going to have two USB-C, two USB, and an auxiliary line in. If we take a look here at your center seat, when it is folded down, you do have a center console with 3 cup holders. Taking a quick look in this center console, it does come equipped with another USB port there. And if we go ahead and lift the center seat up, you are going to have more storage underneath the seat as well. Taking a quick look up top to end off the interior features of this vehicle, you are going to have the option to connect this to your home garage, opening and closing from the touch of your fingertips. A sunglass holder up front. Lighting options for both your driver and passenger. All of your SOS options. And the option to open and close your rear window. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a Cummins diesel 6.7 liter engine with an intercooled turbo pushing 370 horsepower. And you'll also take notice in our engine bays come extremely clean and very well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you are going to have just a couple of your small typical stone chips. Like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep your garage kept its entire life. However, as we make our way around the rest of this vehicle is in extremely good condition. I can guarantee no scratches, no marks, no dings, no dents along the body. You are going to have some slight stone chips here in the rear panel there. Other than that, walking around the rest of this vehicle is in extremely good condition. Hardly any trunk scratches back here as well. And as I showed you guys previously, this bed is in extremely good condition. Even the tailgate top here is also in very good condition. Here in the middle left side, you are going to have a slight scratch there. Other than that, this tailgate is in pristine condition. Coming back down along the driver's side of the body, once again, as you guys can see, no scratches, no marks, no dings, no dents. It's in extremely good condition. That's all I have for you guys today on this 2022 Ram 2500 Laramie. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA. If you want to see more amazing vehicles just like this one, hit that like and subscribe, and make sure to turn push notifications on as well. Have an awesome Thursday, guys.